In today's digital landscape, capitalizing on AI tools is more crucial than ever, and the path to monetization is clearer than it may seem. Start by diving into this actionable guide, ensuring you don't miss the opportunity to set yourself apart in the competitive market of content creation. First, sign up for VEO3 and Manus AI to unlock your free access for an extended period. Early adopters can leverage this advantage to refine their skills and build a portfolio before competition intensifies. With so many lucrative niches available, picking one that resonates with current trends will be crucial to your success. Consider high-demand areas like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, where AI-generated content is increasingly sought after by brands. This positions you perfectly to meet the market's needs while utilizing the innovative capabilities of VEO3. By creating vibrant, engaging videos in mere minutes, you can showcase the value of your services almost instantly, making sure you're ready to offer gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork in no time. Keep your workflow streamlined using Manus AI to handle the more tedious tasks, granting you more freedom to focus on growth and creativity. Once you've established your niche and honed your video-making skills, it's time to jump into action by finalizing your service offerings. Promote these on Fiverr and Upwork, attracting clients eager for high-quality, affordable AI-generated content. With minimal overhead costs, you'll be able to price competitively while still earning a significant profit as you scale your operations. In this competitive environment, your ability to create viral-style videos is key to capturing attention and driving engagement. Using VEO3, you can leverage text or image prompts to generate trending content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's humorous skits for TikTok or informative snippets for Instagram Reels, each piece you produce enriches your portfolio and showcases the potential of AI in creating captivating narratives. As you progress, remember to observe which styles yield the best results, refining your approach to maximize impact and increase your success rate. Once you've developed a solid presence on Fiverr or Upwork, the next step is showcasing your work to a larger audience. Utilize your own social media channels, such as YouTube or TikTok, to post the AI-made videos you've created, ensuring that you incorporate trending topics for quick traction. By presenting your skills to the public, you not only validate your services but also attract potential clients and followers who are interested in your expertise. Encouraging engagement through comments and shares will help your content reach new heights, significantly enhancing your visibility across the digital landscape. To further build your online presence, don't forget to leverage the urgency tied to the free access period. Actively communicate this offer to your audience, highlighting that they can take advantage of these tools without any cost upfront. Create posts or videos that emphasize the countdown to the end of the free access, which stimulates excitement and drives potential users to act quickly, thus increasing your own visibility as a knowledgeable resource. By framing this opportunity effectively, you will not only contribute to your own growth but also assist others in discovering the benefits of AI-powered content creation. By establishing a clear structure for your videos, you can effectively engage your audience from the start. Begin with an enticing hook to grab attention, like, "Want to make $1,000 online this week using AI, completely free? Watch this." This immediately sets expectations and sparks interest. Follow this with a demonstration section showing VEO3 in action, producing a video using a simple prompt, and showcase Manus AI automating tasks, making the technology accessible and relatable. A detailed step-by-step guide empowers viewers to replicate your process, ensuring they feel equipped to dive into the world of AI monetization themselves. By sharing your earnings and analytics on platforms like Fiverr or TikTok, you create credibility and trust with potential clients. Building a personal brand around your journey offers an authentic connection with your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content and services. By embracing these steps and leveraging the power of VEO3 and Manus AI, you're not just entering a trending market but also paving your way towards sustainable income using cutting-edge technology. Seize the moment, activate your free trial, and watch your digital presence evolve as you ride the wave of opportunities that AI offers.